Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy repair for your iPhone 13 Pro, troubleshooting no network issue. If your network is not showing or missing, we've got you covered. Let's get started.
No IME, no network.
At first, we disassembled the display module. Now remove the necessary flex cables from the motherboard. Removing the motherboard. Removing soft protectors. Now place the motherboard in a motherboard layered heating system to heat the layered motherboard at 170 degrees. After proper heat up, disassemble the motherboard layer. Cleaning up the SoC. Applying a soft liquid to the cleanup layer connector through a soldering iron. Placing again to motherboard layered heating system to attach both layers. After that, add soft protectors. Attaching to motherboard flex cables. Now flashing the firmware. After assembly, it's time to check. And that's it. You've successfully repaired no network problem on an iPhone 13 Pro. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Do you have any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.